Immediately your account is activated, you are credited with a $10 sign up bonus, and you have got 5 ads to watch here. And all what you are going to do is just to watch these ads, and these ads take less than a minute for you to watch. So once you finish watching those ads, the website is going to take some time to refresh and load more ads, but during that time you're not going to sit there. I'm going to show you a simple way that you can use to make even more money. And now the question comes in: how do we maximize our earnings using this method to make even more money? But before all that, my name is Nasul and this is a brand new channel. So on this channel, what I talk about is the side hustles and then the website that you can use to make even more money. There are a variety of categories that you can make money online, and that's all I talk about. So expect more than this in the coming weeks, and I make sure that I release 2 videos every single week. So please, you can subscribe to my channel to be part of the growth. In this video, I have split it into 4 categories. The first category, that's where you are gonna know the name of the website, how it works and all that. Then the second category, what you need to start earning money with this website. The third category, different techniques that you can do to maximize your earnings. And then the last category is how you can withdraw the money that you have made along the way. The name of the website is called Cashview, but before you even rush there is a ton of information that you need to know. For example, which countries are eligible and what is the minimum requirements, for example, like the age and all that. So before you even rush there, you need to know all that information. Okay, the way this website works is that you go there, you watch those ads, and after watching those ads, your account will be credited with the amount of money, and then you wait for some time for those ads to reload back. But with the method that I'm going to show you, we shall not be waiting for those ads to reload back. We are going to use something different so that you can keep on making money in that very time frame. Okay, and then after ads are reloaded back, we can go back and then make even more money. The second segment of the video is how to start earning money with this method. Okay, for example, there is one thing that you need to know about the countries which are eligible to make money with this website. I received a lot of complaints from people from my Telegram channel. They were like, I'm from Pakistan, I'm from India, this website doesn't work. But I have friends from there and the website is really working out very well. So I don't know why they are saying that, but to me, this website actually literally works from everywhere. So it doesn't have minimum age requirements and all that. So all you have to do is just to do a simple things during a sign up process that I'm going to show you, so that you can be eligible to even make money with this method. So now when it comes to the do's and don'ts with this one, there is something that you will find there. It's called the server number. Okay, that is very, very crucial in this process. Okay, so that server number, you have to make sure that you write it somewhere. And I'm going to show you a simple way that I do, so that I call each and everything that I talk about right here. So that server number is the one that you'll be using every time you log into this website. And if you forget it, trust me, all the money that you have made will literally go as wasted money. You'll have no access to that money. So you have to make sure that you have the server number at hand for you to continue making money with this website. So after you knowing the do's and don'ts, then you shall go to that specific part where you have to create an account. So all you have to do is just enter your email address, then the username, the password, then click on I'm not a robot. Of course, you have to make sure that you create a strong password so that you can be protective of the amount of money that you'll be adding on the website, and then you create an account. Once your account is created, that's where you can see everything and all that $10 sign up that you receive. Okay, and I have something for you. Okay, I'm going to reveal it later. Yes, we are on the dashboard, but we have not yet set our payment profile. So you can create on my account, and then you go to the payment profile and then fill in the zip code and all that, your PayPal account, because that's what you are going to be using to receive money, and everything related to that sort. So I don't want to go into detail because you'll find everything right there. So now the third segment of the video is how to maximize your earnings. Okay, you see, all the money that you have been making, all the ads that you're gonna be watching are attached to a single email, and every account is attached to a single email. So what you can do, you can create as many emails as possible, but I have a simple way that I'm going to show you. You can create virtual emails unlimitedly, okay, endless. You can create like 115 and all that, depending on how many number of emails that you want to create. But if you're in your phone, you have very many emails, you can still use that, and when they get exhausted, then you can apply this method that I'm going to show you. So all those 5 ads that you have seen there, they totally amount to around $2.49 when you add up after watching all of that. So $2.49, when you add that to $10, that's around $12.49. making that money within maybe the first minute, and then you wait for other ads to reload. In that period, you can create another account and then watch ads as the other ads are reloading, and you can keep on doing that by using this method that I'm going to show you. Okay, so there's a website called tempmail.com. That is the website where you can generate as many emails as possible. And what I always do after copying that email from tempmail.com, I go to a Google Doc or a spreadsheet, and then I paste it right there. I create an account for it, and then you record the corresponding server number. Once you record the corresponding server number, every time that you log in, sometimes you can go further and then add the password too. Every time you log in, it's gonna be simple. So if you have around 10 emails, for example, and you create an account for each of those emails, so if you make around $12.49 for each account in the first 1 minute, and when you try to multiply that by 10, that will be around $124.9 if I'm not mistaken. That's a good amount of money. And by the time you reach the 10, or by the time you reach the 50th account, remember the first account ads have already reloaded, and you are able to rewatch them and then even make even more money. So it's really a cool idea. Once you do that, you can create as many accounts as possible. You can maximize your earnings. Okay, so if you're out there, please try out this one because it's proven people are making money out of it. Okay, and you can comment your country so that I can make even better videos. So when you go to the last segment of the video, that is how to withdraw the money. You see here there's something called withdraw on your dashboard. You will see it right there. Okay, that's where you will have to go and then put in everything, the amount of money that you want to withdraw and all that, and you'll be able to get your amount back. If you get any challenges, please, you can reach me out in the comment section. I'll be able to attend to you because this is a brand new channel. I need people to engage with. Okay, so let us grow this channel together. Please subscribe and then hit the like button so that this video can go to as many people as possible. I will see you in the next video. Remember, I told you I always release 2 videos in a week, and remember, I promise to bring something even better than what I've delivered today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.